Welcome to the Reloptix Samsung XR lens insert install video. To get these installed, you want to make sure that your indicator lines are directly 180 degrees from one another in an imaginary line. If your inserts are upward, then you're not lined up correctly. This one's going this way, and this one's going this way. You want to make sure that you twist this so that it recesses down a little bit, and then when you twist and it's barely moving, then that's how you know it's installed correctly. There you go. Barely moving. Those are installed. When you install these, please ignore any messages about pairing your lens inserts. The best way to do it is take your inserts off, pair your eyes without any glasses, and then you can install your inserts.